Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fish taco bowl. It's so delicious, healthy, and full of flavor. Let's get started. First, we're going to make our rice. So you want to take 2 cups of white rice, add it to a colander, and rinse until the water runs clean. You can also substitute the white rice for cauliflower rice, but today we'll stick to white rice. Here I've got some fresh cod fish. I love using cod because it has a mild flavor. It's packed with protein, B vitamins, and minerals, and it's low in calories. This here weighs 1.75 pounds. I'm going to cut these in half. You want to make sure that you rinse them off and then come back and pat them dry. Patting them dry will prevent tough, mushy fish. To season, we'll start with some pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. Make sure it's not garlic salt, otherwise you'll oversalt it. Then we'll add some Old Bay seasoning. Be generous. If you have dried thyme, go ahead and add a little bit of that as well. Once done, flip them over and do the same to the other side. Since Old Bay comes with salt, you can add more salt later if needed. You can use your hands to work the seasoning into your fish. Before we head to the stove, I'm going to take 3 garlic cloves and give them a quick whack. I'm also going to chop up a little bit of cilantro and set aside for now. On medium-high heat to a large pan, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or enough to coat the bottom of your pan. Now that my pan is nice and hot, I'm going to turn my heat down just a little to about a 6 or 5. We're ready to add our fish. Without touching them, we'll cook for 3 minutes on this side, then we'll come back and flip them over. It's been 3 minutes. Carefully, I'm going to flip them over. I recommend using a fish spatula. If you don't have one and need one, I'll post the link in my description below on where you can find one. As soon as I flip them over, I like to come back and add a little bit of butter and my garlic cloves that we smashed up and a little bit of fresh thyme. Now, if you don't want to use the butter, you definitely don't have to. After 3 minutes, remove from heat. In the meantime, I'm going to quickly make some black beans. Now these go pretty quick. You just have to warm them up. Make sure that you drain them and rinse them before you add them to your pan. In my other pan, I've got a bag of frozen corn. I just added a little bit of butter. Now you can definitely skip the butter and just add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Slice up a little bit of avocado, then add a little bit of lemon to prevent it from browning so quick. Our white rice is ready. We are ready to assemble. I like to add a bed of rice to the bottom of my bowl. Add a little bit of black beans and corn. Now I'm going to add a little bit of cabbage slaw to the side. If you prefer, you can also use romaine lettuce or just shredded lettuce. Add a few slices of avocado. I like to squeeze a little bit of lime over my fish. Then I love using the cilantro avocado dressing. It is so delicious. If you don't have it, you can also make your own by blending avocado, cilantro, and a little bit of yogurt. Or you can even use Mexican crema. I would select the table cream. They usually have sour cream or table cream. I prefer the table cream. All right, so we're just going to drizzle some of this on top and top it off with a little bit of cilantro. Now, before we go in for the bite, take a look at how delicious this looks. So good. Now it's time for the taste test. Let's dig in. So delicious. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Food for delicious food. Come cook with Rose Oatley.
If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.